Here are 5 volcanoes considered among the most dangerous due to their history of destructive eruptions, proximity to populated areas, and potential for widespread impact. Number 1. Mount Vesuvius, Italy. Infamously known for its eruption in 79 AD that buried the Roman cities of Pompeii and Herculaneum, Vesuvius is still considered highly dangerous. It looms over the densely populated Bay of Naples, with millions of people living in its shadow. Number 2. Popocatépetl, Mexico. Located near Mexico City, one of the world's largest metropolitan areas, Popocatépetl is an active volcano that frequently shows signs of unrest. Its proximity to such a large population makes any major eruption a significant threat. Number 3. Mount Merapi, Indonesia. One of Indonesia's most active volcanoes, Merapi has a long history of powerful and deadly eruptions, including significant events in 1994, 2006, and 2010. Its slopes are home to many villages, putting thousands at risk. Number 4. Sakurajima, Japan. This highly active stratovolcano in Kagoshima Prefecture erupts almost constantly, spewing ash and rocks. While typically not on a massive scale, its persistent activity and location near a major city means it's constantly monitored for a larger, more destructive event. Number 5. Nyiragongo, Democratic Republic of the Congo. Known for its extremely fluid, fast-moving lava flows, Nyiragongo poses a unique and direct threat to the city of Goma. Its 2002 eruption destroyed a significant portion of the city, and its crater lake often contains a large, active lava lake. Thanks for watching.